everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Paige. Obviously, if you guys are new here and not already, make sure to subscribe down below. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a massive, I have a lot of clothes here. It's kind of like a huge clothing haul. I got a bunch of new pieces from Princess Polly. This video is actually sponsored by them, so shout out to them. You guys know how much I love Princess Polly. I've worked with them a ton in the past. They have literally the best back to school pieces and really just like good basics, I feel like. I also have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it on the screen right here. It's Paige Love. You can also get free express shipping, which I think is 2 days to the US on all orders over $500. And they also offer Afterpay to all US customers too. So anyways, let's just get into it. Also, this video is going to be a try and haul, of course, so you guys can see what everything looks like on, because I got you. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. So starting with the first thing that I got, it's actually what I'm wearing right now. You guys will be able to see this better in the try on section, but it's just this basic little white tank top. I think it's really adorable. I love the neckline on it. I also love how it has this little butterfly right here. I think it's really cute. And yeah. So moving on, the next thing I got is this white t-shirt. I think it's super cute. I like that it's distressed. I don't know, I just love these big basic shirts because it's so easy to go to class and just throw it on with a pair of shorts and sneakers, and then there's your outfit and you're done. I also got this in a larger size. I'll have the sizes all down below. I think I got it in a US 8 though, but I just like how it looks when it's bigger. It's also way more comfortable too. So that's that. The next thing I picked up is this basic white tank top. I think this is really cute. I feel like since I've been at school, I've been wanting just like really easy go-to basic pieces that still make it look like I tried really hard, even though I got dressed in like 2 minutes. That's the goal every morning when I get dressed. This one's actually really soft. It's really nice ribbed material, and I think the design on the front is really cute. And yeah. Okay, next thing I got is this white little tube top. I think this is really cute. I also thought it was so cool because it has these strings on each side of the shirt, and you can basically like gather the shirt. But I just thought this was really cool. I also really want to wear this to a darty. I feel like it would look really cute with like a cool pair of red shorts or just like jean shorts. I feel like that could look really cool too. So next thing I got is this basic little black bodysuit. I feel like you can't go wrong with bodysuits. I have so many bodysuits just because I think they're the easiest thing to put on and also so cute. I also just for some reason feel more comfortable in bodysuits. I feel like it's just like you don't have to worry about like certain angles of how you look, and I just think it's like really flattering and just like so easy to throw on with a cool pair of shorts or jeans with a cool pair of sneakers, and there's your outfit. This one's also nice because it has these adjustable straps. Obviously, you guys know how to adjust straps. Just a really nice basic to have. Okay, so next bodysuit I got is another black one, but this one I thought was really cute because the straps you can tie in a bow or just like a little knot, whatever you want. This one's also a really nice rib material as well. All of these are really soft and just really comfortable. Again, it's also just so easy to go to class in them. I think why I like them so much is because they look really casual, but they're also still really cute at the same time, and they're also really comfortable as well. The next one I got is another black one, but this one's a little more for like going out party-ish, I think. I love how it has long sleeves because Indiana's gonna get really cold soon, and when I go out I don't want to wear like a tank top because I'll freeze my ass off. I also love how it has this detailing in the front. I think it's just really nice and really sexy too. It also has this clip in the back so it can cover where your bra goes, because sometimes bodysuits that have open back you can't wear a bra and then it's just like weird. Yeah. But yeah, love this. My friends are gonna want to steal this from me, I already know. Next thing I got is also more like going out type of vibes. It's just this basic black crop top. I think it's super cute. I like how it has this one shoulder. I love these type of tops because they're just so easy to wear with like high-waisted jeans or even like cool high-waisted camo pants. I feel like you could also wear this during the daytime too as well with like a cool pair of shorts, sneakers, or even with like a cute little flowy skirt and make it a little more girly. I feel like this is just the perfect go-to easy top for day or night outfits. Okay, so next thing I got is another bodysuit. I actually forgot I got another one. I really didn't think I got this many, so don't judge me. This one's absolutely adorable. I freaking love the material on this. I feel like it's really nice and really flattering. I love how it has the lines right down the middle to kind of outline your stomach a little bit. I also love this because because it kind of looks like it's a sheer material, but it's not. I feel like you're still probably gonna have to wear like a bra with it, but it's just really cool. It's also so flattering. It also feels really cool. This is like the perfect going out party bodysuit for college, I feel like. If any of you guys are new freshmen, like not knowing what to wear when you go out, because that's how I was, this is like the perfect bodysuit. So next thing I got is actually this little mini black dress. Love how it has this like red cheetah material. It's so cool, and it's also really soft, which is nice because whenever I go out, all my dresses are always so itchy and I hate it. Like, it's the worst feeling ever. So this will be really nice and comfortable to wear. I feel like this is gonna look really good with like a cool pair of black pumps, or even like dressing it down on a weekend or something when you're going out with your girlfriends just to like a dinner or something with like a cool pair of sneakers. I feel like that could be a vibe, and a leather jacket as well. So yeah, freaking love this. So the next thing that I got is actually this ginormous sweater. This one is really cute. It's this really nice white knit material. Also love how the sleeves kind of like tighten up around your wrist area, and then it goes into this bigger sleeve. The neckline on this is also really nice as well, because it kind of just like, it's not a turtleneck, but it definitely does go a little higher and kind of tightens up a little more, which I think is really nice and flattering. But this is going to be really nice, and it's going to keep me super warm when it gets colder out here. It's honestly still been hot, which I'm really confused about, because I think by this time last year in Indiana it was getting more cold, but this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna be wearing this a ton over winter and fall and whatnot. So next thing I got is this button-up cardigan. I think this is probably one of my favorite things I got in this clothing haul. I think it's just absolutely adorable. I love cardigans. I also got this in a larger size too, just because I like how it looks when it's a little more oversized. I feel like this will look really cool with like any type of white t-shirt, just a basic one with like cool distressed jeans, or even like a cool pair of leather pants and like black booties. I feel like that could look so sick. Also, you could totally wear it without a shirt on underneath as well, and maybe just wear it off the shoulder a little bit with some cool layered necklaces. I feel like that could look so cool. Just like looking at this, I want to like wear it forever. So next thing I got are actually these cool black boots. I've been needing a good pair of black boots for going out with some of my friends at night. I have black boots, but I feel like they get like destroyed, and I don't even know. I feel like you could put this with like any pair of jeans, even shorts too, or even like maybe an oversized shirt and just these boots. I feel like that could look really sick. So yeah, just a really good pair of black boots. So that is everything I got for this clothing haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Oh boy, I like you. I got a lot of bodysuits. I think it's also officially fall, I think. Maybe.